Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and your all desires and wishes comes true. So today in this video, as you can guys see that I'm showing you some beautiful crochet patterns designs of flowers. And crochet flowers are versatile and beautiful handmade creations that can be used in various ways to enhance your projects and bring a touch of elegance and charm. And this can be used as decorative embellishments on various items such as hats, scarves, bags, clothing, blankets, and more. They add a pop of color and unique touch to your creation, so you can customize it in any color and any design, and you can add some pearls on it, on any kind of stuff to embellish it. So you can see the designs there. These are latest and very stylish, and it helps you to home decor. They can be used to create beautiful home decor items such as wreaths, wall hanging, garlands, and table centerpieces. They bring a touch of nature indoors and can be customized to match your desired color scheme, and you can use it in jewelry items as well, and you can gift it to someone else. So there are so many uses of these flowers, and plus they are very thoughtful and meaningful handmade gifts for friends, family, and loved ones. They are unique, personalized, and can be cherished for years to come. And yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends and watch the complete video, and let me know your feedback about the favorite crochet flower patterns. Thank you.